What's up, guys? It's Kristen. Welcome back to another video, and happy Valentine's Day. Oh my goodness, I love Valentine's Day, guys. I just love. So I like seeing everyone show their love for one another. Let me know if you're doing anything for Valentine's Day. I wanted to take my son out to eat, but he literally only eats fries, and I'm not even joking. But yeah, guys, we're at CVS. We're gonna be doing some deals for today, for this week. I also have some Walgreens deals posted. This is a fire week at Walgreens, so go check it out. I even have a beginner friendly haul. If you don't have any paper coupons, you can still score pretty good this week at Walgreens. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, as well as giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a video. No long intro needed, guys. We're going to hop right into it. And I am going to kick it off with some shampoo. So the shampoo, the L'Oreal Elvive, is on sale again, 2 for $9. And when you buy 2, you will get back $4 extra care bucks. This deal is actually better than it was last week. I did take advantage of the one last week. We have a 4 off of 2 digital that you can pair in with this 4 off of 2 paper. Both will come off, so you would pay $1, get back 4, which will make it a $3 moneymaker. I only have the paper coupon, so I'm gonna pay $5, getting back 4. We'll make them $1 for both, or just 50 cents each. So let me pick up my 2 products and then put them in my cart. Next, I'm going to take advantage of some Garnier hair care products. So the whole blends and the Garnier fruit teas are actually on different promotions. So I'm going to take advantage of each one of them. But they are both 2 for $8. And when you buy 2, you'll get back $2 extra care bucks. So both of the deals going to happen the same way. I'm going to pick up 2 products. I'm going to use a 3 off of 2 paper coupon that's going to stack with the 3 off of 2 digitals. So for each one, I'm going to pay $2, getting back $2 makes them free. So let me pick up my other hair care products and put them in my cart. So I'm actually going to throw in all of the hair care together, which is going to total out to $25. I have 2 different 4 off of 12 like hair care CRTs that I'm going to use. So since they are threshold CRTs, meaning 4 off of 12, to use both of them, they don't stack. I have to reach both thresholds. So since it's $12, I need at least $24. I got 25, so I'm good. So I'm going to use both of those CRTs with the digitals, as well as pairing in these paper coupons that I have. So after all of the savings, I'm left to pay $1, but then I'm going to get back a total of $8 in extra care bucks, 4 for the L'Oreal Elvive, and then 2 for each of the Garnier, making this not only free, but a huge $7 moneymaker, a way to start off today's haul. So there are currently 2 different Colgate promotions happening this week. We have one where they are 2 for $7.98. When you buy 2, you get back $4 extra care bucks. So picking up 2 of them, that'll be $7.98. You can pair in this 2 off of 2 paper coupon that will stack with that 3 off of 2 digital. So it'll leave you to pay $2.98, getting back 4, makes them free plus a $1.02 moneymaker. And then we have this one right here where they are buy 2 and you get back $7 extra care bucks. So you can pick up 2 of the ones priced at $5.49. That will total out to $10.98. Still use that 2 off of 2 paper coupon with that 3 off of 2 digital. It would leave you to pay $5.98, getting back 7. So it's still a $1.02 moneymaker. So I decided to take advantage of this deal twice because I have a 4 off of 12 oral care CRT. So it's going to total out to $21.96. I'm going to use 2 off of 2 paper coupons that will stack with the 3 off of 2 digital, as well as these toothpaste right here also attached to the $1 off digital. So both of them are going to come off. So after all of the savings, that will drop me down to paying $9.96. But since I'm doing this deal twice, I'm going to get back $7 twice, so a total of $14 back, making this free plus a $3.04 moneymaker. So guys, another moneymaker. So far, we're up like $10. This is amazing. So now I'm working with a 4 off of 40 purchase CRT. So we're going to get our total up to $40 so that we could take advantage of that CRT. So the first deal is going to be on the Nivea body wash. They are again on sale for buy 2 and you get back $5 in extra care bucks. This deal has been going on for a while now, so I'm really stocked up. I'm going to pick up the men this time, priced at $5.49. 2 of them will total out to $10.98. I'm going to use this 3 off of 2 paper coupon that will stack with that $1 digital. So it's going to leave me to pay $6.98, getting back 5, makes them 99 cents each. Now this next deal I'm upset about. I can't do it because I left my paper coupon at home. So I'll just have to come back another time. but it is on the deodorant sprays. They are buy one get one 50% off, and when you buy two, you will get back $3 extra care bucks. So I was gonna pick up two of the degrees. I was gonna pick up one of the women's at $7.29, as well as a men also at $7.29. So one of them would have been half off. So the two would have totaled out to $10.94. I was gonna pair in the 4 off of 2 paper coupon, and then I have a dollar deodorant CRT. That was gonna leave me to pay $5.94, getting back $3 extra care bucks, as well as submitting to Ibotta, getting back $1 for each one of the sprays, which would have made my final cost 94 cents or just 47 cents each, which is an amazing deal for some degree deodorant spray. But like I said, I left my coupon, so I'm gonna have to come back and do this deal later. CoverGirl is on a promotion that when you buy two, you get back $6 in extra care bucks. So of course, the ideal thing to do would be to pick up two of the ones priced at $4.99, but my store is out because I've been running this deal through the ground. So instead, I picked up two of the ones priced at $5.49, so that will make my final cost $1 more, but then throw in two of these $3 coupons. So I'm gonna pay $4.98, getting back $6, makes them $1.02 moneymaker, but it would be a $2 moneymaker if you could find the $4.99 ones. So this next deal, I didn't plan on doing it on this card, but the items that I wanted, that my store is out of stock. So it's on the Eucerin baby lotion. Well, Eucerin in general is on a promotion. Spend 20, get back 10. I always pick up the regular lotion, so this time I just decided to pick up the baby products. So I'm going to pick up two of these at $10.49. That's going to total out to $20.98. Throw in these two $3 coupons. I'm going to pay $14.98, getting back 10. Makes the final cost just $4.98 for the two products, or just $2.49 each, which is a fantastic deal for this product. So these products will total out to $42.94. That's insane to think that these 6 products cost $43. But since they do, now we can use that 4 off of 40 CRT. So with that 4 off of 40, as well as all of my other savings, that will drop me down to $22.94, getting back a total of $21 in extra care bucks, 10 for the Eucerin, 5 for the Nivea, as well as 6 for the CoverGirl, making this final cost just $1.94 for all these products. And then if you have a different threshold, say a 6 off of 30 or even an 8 off of 40, this can be free or a moneymaker depending on which CRTs they gave you. And also too, if you have a percentage off coupon, you can use that for these items since they're all regular price. So there's different ways to take advantage of this in saving. But yeah, $2 for me, I am A-okay with this transaction. So now I'm working with a different card, so I am going to take advantage of the CoverGirl deal again. So I'm picking up two of the ones priced at $5.49 that will total out to $10.98. So same thing, I'm going to pair in two $3 paper coupons. But I have a 3 off of 10 cosmetic text CRT that was texted me, so make sure you're signed up with text alert. So I'm going to pay $1.98, getting back 6. So this will be a $4 moneymaker. I want to stock up on the Nivea body wash, the men. So again, I'm going to do the deal again. Remember, they are buy two, get back $5 in extra care bucks. So two of the men's going to total out to $10.98. Same coupons I'm going to use. So I'm going to use this 3 off of 2 with that dollar digital. Pay $6.98, get back 5. Makes them $1.98 or 99 cents each. And then I'm going to do the Eucerin baby deal again. Remember, spend 20, get back $10 extra care bucks. So I was going to pick up two of the same ones, the eczema relief, but there's only one. So I'm going to still pick up this one price at $10.49, but then I'm going to pick up another product. So I guess I'll go with this one at $10.79. That'll total out to $21.28, still using in these two $3 coupons. That's going to leave me to pay $15.28, getting back 10. Makes the final cost $5.28 for both products. Again, not a bad deal at all. So I decided to pair these two deals together, which will total out to $32.26, because I do have a 6 off of 30 purchase coupon. So after that 6 off of 30, as well as all of my other savings, that will drop me down to $16.26. But then I'm going to get back a total of $15 in extra care bucks, 10 for the Eucerin, as well as 5 for the Nivea, making the final cost just $1.26 for the 4 products, which is amazing. I definitely want to stock up on this Eucerin baby because my son has really bad eczema, and I think I'm going to switch back to this. It used to work really well with him when he was a baby, so it's time to bring it back in his life. And then I'm going to do the Colgate deal. This time I'm going to do the 1-2 for $7.98. and then pair in this 2 off of 2 paper with that 3 off of 2 digital. So pay $2.98, getting back $4, makes it $1.02 moneymaker. I'm gonna repeat the Garnier deals. Gonna take advantage of both of them. Remember, they are 2 for $8. Buy 2, get back $2 extra care bucks. I'm gonna pair in these 3 off of 2 paper coupons with those 3 off of 2 digitals. Pay $2 for each one, get back $2, making all 4 of them free. And I think this will be like the last like deal that I take advantage of because my store is just really not in stock. But I do have an 8 off of 40, and I want to take advantage of the spin deal, the tier promotion where it's either spend 30 get 10 or spend 45 get 15. Now, a couple of things to remember with tier promotions: the 98% rule does not apply, so you have to get the amount. It's either or, so you can't do both, and the items don't track towards it. You have to do it all in one transaction. So if you are a penny shy of $45, you're gonna get $10, and that's it. If you're a penny shy of $30, you're not gonna get anything. So I'm gonna pick up this Tide at $12.99, and I do have a $3 digital coupon. So I'm only doing the spend 30 deal. So to get me to my $30 amount, I'm gonna pick up this Downy, priced at $12.99, and we do have a $2 digital coupon, as well as another Downy product priced at $6.99. So I'm gonna go with this Free and Gentle, and we do have a $1 digital. So let me put this in my cart and then go over the spend 30 amount. So these 3 products will total out to $32.97, and that's $6 in digital coupons, which will drop it down to $26.97, getting back $10 extra care bucks for doing the deal, as well as submitting to Ibotta, getting back $3.50 for the Downy beads, making the final cost just $13.47 or like $4.49 each. Now that isn't the best deal, and doing it alone, I probably would just skip it. But I do have an 8 off of 40, so I'm gonna get my total to $40, and then let that extra $8 pair into the mix. That way, it's not that bad of a deal. So I already have my product. So let me show you what I'm doing for my 8 off of 40. So I told you guys I'm trying to stock up on the Nivea Men, so I just decided to pair that into the deal. So the 5 products will total out to $43.95. So now I can use that 8 off of 40 purchase CRT. So with the 8 off of 40, as well as all of the other savings, you guys already know with the Nivea, the 3 off of 2 paper with the $1 digital. That will drop it down to $25.95, getting back a total of $15 in extra care bucks, 10 for the spend 30, and then 5 for the Nivea. Then I'm going to submit to Ibotta, getting at $3.50 for the Downy beads, making the final cost just $7.45 for all these items, which is a lot better than that $13.45 or whatever that price was, just doing the spend 30 deal. Now I'm going to go check out everything, and then I'll be back with the receipts. That way we can talk about final numbers and how everything went. So I'll be right back. All right, y'all. So for the first transaction, I decided to do the spend 30 deal, pairing it with that 8 off of 40. And I messed up. I'm pretty sure as I was recording it, y'all probably already caught on, but I did it until just now. So the Downy beads that I thought were $12.99, no, they were $6.99. So what does that mean? It means that knocked me under $30. So I did not get back my $10 extra care bucks because I was at $26.97. What else did that mean? That meant I did not reach my $40 amount for that 8 off of 40 to come off. So I just threw this whole transaction off. So you can see everything else rang up the way it was supposed to. As far as coupons, everything came off except for the $1 digital for the Nivea, and then of course I told you guys the 8 off of 40 because I was only at $37.95. So I did use $25 in extra care bucks to drop me down to $3.90. So this transaction cost me $28.95. The only thing that printed for me was the $5 coupon for the Nivea. When I was at the register, I didn't know why the $10 didn't print for me. But the manager, I love her so much. She did credit me my $10. So she just printed me off $10 in extra care bucks. So technically, I still got back the $15 for this transaction. Then I submitted to Ibotta, got back $3.50. So the final cost for this transaction was $10.45. But yeah, it was on me. All right, so for my second transaction, it went a lot smoother. This was for that 4 off of 40. So I did the CoverGirl, the Nivea, as well as the Eucerin. So everything did ring up the way it was supposed to as far as pricing. I'm thankful for that. And then here are all my coupons. So I had all of those $3 coupons that scanned, no issues, as well as the dollar digital for the Nivea. And you can see the 4 off of 40. I used $23 in extra care bucks, so I did lose out on 6 cents. So that left me with a subtotal of 0. I just put it on a gift card. So we're gonna say this cost me $23, but then as far as extra care bucks, I did get back all $21 in extra care bucks. So we're gonna say that this transaction did cost me $2 because I am gonna count those 6 cents. So $2 for all this stuff is not bad at all. For this transaction, I paired in that 6 off of 30 deal with the Colgate. So the Colgate, Nivea, and then the Eucerin. As far as coupons, everything came off the way it was supposed to. Those are my $3 coupons for the Eucerin and the Nivea. Then we have the $2 paper coupon for the Colgate. You can see that the Nivea and the Colgate digitals did stack and come off. And there's that 6 off of 30. I used $17 in extra care bucks, which dropped me down to $2.23. So this transaction did cost me $19.24. And then as far as the extra care bucks that I got back, I did get back a total of $19 in extra care bucks. So making this transaction just 24 cents for all of these products, which is, again, amazing, fantastic, all of the above. No complaints at all. This transaction was a quick one. I just did both of the Garnier deals with the CoverGirl. So everything did scan the way it was supposed to. No hiccups with pricing. And then my coupons, everything came off like it was supposed to. So those are my $3 paper coupons. And then you can see both of those $3 digitals for the Garnier did stack and come off, as well as that 3 off of 10 cosmetic CRT. I used $6 in extra care bucks, so it left me to just pay the tax. I put it on a gift card, of course. So $6 for this transaction. But then I did get back a total of $10 in extra care bucks. One of the $2 coupons, I did use it for a different transaction, making this a $4 moneymaker. And then my last and final transaction was the one where I did all of the hair care along with the Colgate deal, picking up the 4 tubes for the toothpaste. So pricing was, everything was good, no problems with that. Here are all my coupons. So those are the 2 paper coupons for the Colgate. Then we have those $3 coupons for the Garnier, the $4 coupon for the Elvive, and then all my digitals did stack and come off. So the $3, the $3, and the $1. And you can see all of my thresholds. So I had 4 off of 12. I had 3 of those, 2 for shampoos and 1 for toothpaste. I did use $11 in extra care bucks, so I missed out on 4 cents. But I got back a total of $22 in extra care bucks, and I also got this 10 off of 70. So this transaction was free plus an $11 moneymaker. All right, you guys, so here's everything, a recap of everything I picked up today. It's time for final numbers. So even though I messed up on that first transaction trying to do that spend 30 deal, they did still print me off the $10 extra care buck. So that did make the final cost for this free plus a $2.31 moneymaker. Now, if they wouldn't have printed it off, I could have been mad because it was my fault. I didn't pick up the right products. That would have made this transaction $7.69. So I still wouldn't have been mad about that because all of this stuff for under $8 is still amazing. But I already know I'm going to make another haul, especially since I still have the 8 off of 40 to use. And then there were some deals that I wasn't able to pick up today. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Let me know how you feel about this haul. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Again, happy Valentine's Day, and I hope you guys enjoy it and feel all the love today.